It's Meso, y'all. Welcome to my kitchen today. I've been waiting on you. We're gonna do some cabbage rolls today. Stuffed cabbage. Take a look. What you think? Don't that good? Let's see what it takes to make these bad boys. So here we have cabbage. We have bell pepper. We have onions, and I have here some leftover mashed potatoes. I have an egg. I have some thyme, fresh thyme. I have some ground chuck here. I have some basil. And I have cheeses. Parmesan. Um, I have mozzarella. And I have cheddar cheese. And I have some marinara sauce, baby. Let's put this stuff into action. So I have my ground meat here, and I'm going to put it in this pan, Going to brown it. Look at this tool that I got. Love this thing. It just breaks up this meat, separates it so well. And you can make it in any size pieces that you want to make it. So I'm going to take it down and make it kind of fine ground. So the meat has browned, and I'm boiling some water here. And what I'm going to do with this water is I'm going to put this whole cabbage down into the water. I want to be able to separate the leaves. So I've let it boil here for about, maybe 15 minutes. I'm going to get it out, and I'll be able to separate the leaves, take some leaves off of this cabbage. So now I've also put my bell pepper and my onion. I've chopped them up, and I'm sauteing them. So you see my cabbage leaves here that I have already taken some off of. And I'm going to start putting all this stuff together. So I got one egg that I'm going to put down into this bowl. And I'm going to take my little whisk here, and I'm going to just whisk away. Get it all scrambled for you. I have some black pepper here. I'm going to get my black pepper in. And some granulated onion powder. I have some lemon pepper seasoning. Love this stuff. I also have some oregano. And don't worry about what amounts we're going to use, because it's going to be in the description box. I have some garlic here. Yeah, you can check in the description box, and I will have the ingredients and how much of that to use. I'm coming back, and I'm going to whisk again to get all of this well incorporated. I have cottage cheese here, small curd. I am going to put a little cottage cheese into this dish. Somebody said, where you going with this miso? Well, I'm going to delicious land, delectable land, scrumptious land. I've just put in some bay leaves, and now I am putting in my mashed potatoes. These are leftover mashed potatoes. I am putting in now my sauteed onion and bell pepper. Giving it all a good stir, good mix. Just want it to come together. And I have my meat that I've drained here on paper towels, and I'm getting my meat in. So I'm putting my cheese in. That was my cheddar cheese. This is my Parmesan cheese. And this is my mozzarella cheese. As I said, measurements will be in the description box. Not to worry, Miso got you. I have here some thyme that I almost forgot to put in. Get my thyme in. I'm spraying this dish with vegetable spray. And I have my leaves that I've taken and separated. And I'm going to begin to stuff. We're just going to roll these up. You don't have to be fancy. You just practice on it. Just roll it up like you would an egg roll. You're going to place it in the pan seam side down. It smells good. Now, if you have some other seasonings that you just love, you want to put it in here, put it in here. Your kitchen, your food. Do it like you want to do it. It is your responsibility to serve your family what they like, to get them fed. This is just a guide. Give you some ideas, but if you've got some other stuff you want to put in here, like a little bit of red pepper or something else that you want to put it in. I'm sure it'll be good. So I'm going to use a toothpick in some of them. If they won't hold together by themselves, I'll just stick a toothpick in. And you just remind everybody at the table that they have toothpicks in them. Make sure you take that toothpick out before you eat it, guys. Don't that good. You can also use rice. If you don't want to use potatoes, you can use rice in this. You can add some few other vegetables if you wanted to. This is just a dish that you can do so much with. And the best part about it is delicioso. Delicious, y'all. So I've rolled up all of these cabbages here and stuffed them, and I've put them into a dish. Now you want to put some marinara sauce down in the dish before you begin to put your cabbage rolls. And then you want to put a little cabbage roll, a little cheese on it as you put them in. You can stack them on top of each other, and that will be okay. Little marinara sauce and a little cheese. Or a lot if you like a lot. So here we have it. Now I am going to get ready to get this in the oven, but I'm going to cover this first with some aluminum foil. I am going to tint it. So I'm going to make a little, I don't know what you call this. I'm going to make a little fold in the top of the foil. And I'm going to use it to hold or to tint the foil up off of the food. I'm going to also spray it with my vegetable spray. Well, this is actually butter spray. It doesn't make a difference. So that if it touches the food, it will not stick to it. Your cheese will just brown. It won't stick to the paper. So I'm going to get this covered as tightly as I can. And I've got my oven preheated. And I'm going to get it ready to go into the oven. Try to make this tight. Okay, now into a preheated 350-degree oven, you're going to put this. And you're going to let it bake for about 60 to 90 minutes. Hour to hour and a half. Just keep a check on it. Out of the oven, and let's take a look what we got here. Can you see it bubbling? Whew, now that's hot. That's like lava. But I'd love to see that bubble. Take a good look at it. Do you see how the marinara has spread it out and covered all of them? And so has the cheese. You can use more cheese if you'd like. You can use more marinara if you'd like. Just do it your way. But look at this. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, because I am ready to serve it, and I'm ready to taste it. Now, I got some hungry people here that's waiting. Ooh. I guess that makes a nice serving. And I'm going to put just a little bit of sauce on top. Ooh, y'all, I am trembling with excitement here. And I'm going to just sprinkle some parsley flakes down on top of it, just to make it look pretty. And I'm sticking a couple of bay leaves in here. Oh, just to make it look pretty. But really, who cares about the look? We want to get to the taste. What does it taste like? Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Don't it good? Don't it good? Yeah. Had to find that knife and fork. I am going to cut this and I'm going to taste it. Because I hear somebody saying, tell me if it's good, Meso. Taste it, taste it. I'm not sure. Tell me if it's good. Then I'll know if I want to make this or not. Well, that hard job of tasting. I'm going to do it for you. You see that toothpick in there? You want to make sure you get it out. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Woo! That meat, so tender, delicious. I taste all the seasonings coming through. Mmm. And the cheese. Maybe you guys should take that toothpick out first thing. I'm going to go ahead and get mine out now because I knew it was in there. Got it out? Now you get into my belly. Oh, this gets a big number 10. Triple 100. Ooh, I'm going to give myself a hand. Thanks, Meso. Hey, guys, I appreciate you coming by. Check it on me because you wanted to see what I was doing today, and you knew I'd be throwing down. If you like my channel, I want you to subscribe. And when you do, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time that I put up a new video. Give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate it. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media with your friends, your relatives, your in-laws, your enemies, your outlaws. It don't matter. Share my video and tell people to come and see what I'm making. I would like you to leave me comments because I love hearing from you guys and I love hearing your thoughts. And so leave me comments and I'll answer you back if I can. I know, guys, there's a lot going on out there today in the world, and it can be scary. But we're all in this together. What are we going to do? Well, we should listen more so we can learn more, love more, and pray more than ever before. Thank you, guys. I love you. Good eating to you. Bye-bye.